guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another unboxing for you guys. So I don't know if you guys are new here, you probably wouldn't have known that I had mentioned this, but for those of you who have been following me, I had mentioned not too long ago that I ended up having a tear in my knee about a year ago to the date. Literally, I went on vacation to Puerto Rico, Christmas of 2024, came back. My knee was hurting me. I thought that it was just me working out. Maybe I was walking around too much. Ended up finding out that I had a tear in my knee. So a couple of months ago, I started feeling more pain in my left knee. I could have sworn it was another tear. It was horrible. Today I went to the doctors. I found out it was not a tear, but I just have a little something going on in my knee. So, yeah, this getting old stuff is just, it's ghetto here, okay? Anyway, so I am always, looking for holistic ways to help myself. I told the doctor again today, I'm not for the injections. I don't like taking narcotics, any type of, pain meds or anything like that. If I have to take anything, I do take Advil. But other than that, I don't like taking the strong stuff. I don't like that stuff. So I'm always finding different things to kind of help myself, whether it's working out, going to the gym, stretching, eating better, things that I can implement in my diet, also gadgets. So I actually came across this. I don't know why I came across this. It was on my Facebook feed. One of the girls on a page I follow decided to talk. I think it might have been under a gym page that I am part of. And she was talking about working out and, having knees that hurt. So she ended up linking, putting a link down below to something that she said has helped her. And I decided to order it for myself. So this is a knee massager, a cordless knee massager. It is by Medcursor. I haven't opened this yet. It has 3 vibration modes, 3 heating levels, and 2 light modes. When I saw this on the link, it looked like a shield to put over your knee. But it comes in this cute little box with a little handle on it. Very cute. Doesn't feel very heavy at all. So let's go ahead and open it up here. Oh wow, it does look, it's like a helmet for your knee. This, whoa! It just turned on, guys. What the? Wow. I did not expect it to do that. I was trying to take it out anyway. All right, so as you can see, this is what it looks like. I'm assuming this here is the top part. So what else do we have in here? We've got the user manual. It's going to tell us how we should use that. Little thank you card and a share your story. And then we've got what looks like a little charger, a little cord. Okay, and then we've got, I guess this is a little, if you need a free replacement. Okay, so that's all that's in the box. So it was just wrapped up in this little bag. So, okay, so here, as you can see, this is the power button, as we all just discovered. It looks like this is the heating mode. This is the heating mode. This is the vibration mode. And yeah, let's turn this back on and see. Okay. So this part, I assume, goes on your kneecap. And I don't know what laser means. There's infrared. So this is low vibration. This is high vibration, so I can feel that. Huh. So So let's see how we should be putting this on, shall we? All right, y'all. So we are about to try this on. This is the manual. Let me make sure that I am putting this on properly. It does have straps. So let's see. We've got 2 straps here. This is the part that goes over the knee. So let's see. I'm assuming this is a one-size-fit-all type of thing. It does feel like it has cushions on the inside for comfort. I don't know if... Okay, so this is wild. So let's see. It's got little loops. So we can strap this in. Uh-oh. All right, let's get it together. There we go. All right, so that's one. Okay, here is the other. All right, so it feels pretty in place. All right, so now this is the knee. This is my right knee, and this is the knee that I had the first tear in. Well, the only tear, because they told me today I don't have a tear in this knee. But I'm going to turn this on now. Hello. There we go. I feel like I need to have this on tighter. Oh, gosh. Okay. The vibration is on auto, so it's pulsing. Oh, it pulses anyway. Okay. All right. So let's see if it says how long you should use this for. So it says you should use it low intensity. I have to take a look in here to see how often it says that you should use it. Oh, I can feel the heat now. It's not that hot. It's okay. I don't see anywhere here that says how long you should use this for. I mean, depending on what your necessity is and how long you want to use it for, I guess it's up to your discretion. You should definitely always start with low intensity though, you know, depending on what your problem is. I personally would probably use this a few times a week, only because this knee isn't bothering me as much anymore, but the other one is. Found out what the problem is today. Let me just have you guys take a look at this again. BRB. All right, so depending on what your issue is, I guess determines how often you want to use this, just like any other massager. I have a back massager. I was using that like every other day. My mom and my dad has one, and whenever I go to Connecticut, I use it every day when I'm there, and I use it for like 10 minutes. It has a timer. It does go off. I have to look and see if this has an actual timer. I almost want to say it may have a timer, but I have to look at the user manual just to make sure. But I think this is pretty useful. Clearly this is very sensitive, so we are seeing that right now. But depending on, you know, what your issue is. If you always have knee problems, your knees are always aching, can you use it every day? Possibly. You know, should you? I don't know. I would always just consult with your doctor as always, because, you know, these things, you know, it depending on what you got going on, it can make things worse or better. Who knows? But, you know, see what your options are. But that's a good option just to kind of get your blood flowing in your knees, especially if you have weak knees and things like that. For me, my knees aren't necessarily weak. I just have a little tiny bit of arthritis on my left knee, which is causing the pain that I've been having for a couple of weeks now, but thankfully there is no tear in there, thank goodness. I may do physical therapy, but for the most part, I'm in the middle, not the middle. I did start a juice fast, so hopefully that can kind of regenerate everything. And, you know, I'm back in the gym and I'm working out and I'm trying to stretch more now. So between those things and having a knee massager, it should all kind of help out, you know. Anything can help, you know. But I will leave the link to where I got this down below, so you guys know exactly where I got this. It may be useful to you, it may not. Try it out and, you know, see what happens. But I'll definitely be using that. For somebody like me, I do need it, and I think it would be a great thing to do it maybe 10 minutes every other day, 10 minutes a few days out of the week. It all depends on you. So leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think of this little gadget for your knees. This is a knee massager, and it is from Medcursor. That's where I got this from. And as always, if you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel, hit like, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified whenever I pop up on your feed. I'll see you guys later. Toodles!